B, it's been almost 2 decades since I first saw you in that camp. Till we became seatmates in high school, friends turned to true friends, then I became your first and last boyfriend. And now, we will soon be married in the eyes of God. Parati kong sinasabi sa'yo, lalo na habang yakap mo ako kung totoo na ba talaga ang lahat ng to. Kasi pinagpipray ko lang to dati. Pinagpipray ko lang na sana maging tayo na lang habang buhay. Kaya sobrang galing lang talaga ng prayers kasi alam ni Lord kung kailan ang tamang timing ng mga bagay-bagay dito sa mundo.
Nawala tuloy yung in character ko. So, ito yung second practice. Okay.
Being a fur dad of 2 huskies is no joke. Although we're not able to train them because they won't allow us, they taught us how to love unconditionally. I vow to be your best friend, husband mo na best friend mo pa, na habang buhay mong kakwentuhan and kabiruan for the rest of our lives.
To my true friend, my palalabs, John Paul, the love of my life. Nakaka-mental block. Parang ako nag-exam.
I'm always happy seeing Kuya Paul kasi kaya welcome namin siya as one of the brothers na rin. Kasi I always see him as yung tamang tao para sa sister ko. Kaya hindi ako nangangamba about their life kasi I've seen their family. Family welcome niya yung ate ko.
And I hope na hanggang sa tumanda kayo, magkaanak kayo, you get to pass that attitude na open kayo, palagi kayong happy sa mga ginagawa niyo, and really passionate.
Sayangin ang oras at pag-ibig mo, mas pipiliin ko ibigay lahat pati itong aking mundo. Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa iyo. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling, saksi ang langit sa atin. Saksi ang langit, saksi ang langit.
I'm very happy na part ka na ng family and with the church, with God, our Almighty. Yes!
Dati-rati sa academy, tayo magkasabay maligo. Ngayon, iba na yung kasabay mong maligo.
Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa iyo. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling, siyang langit.
Ang ganda magawa.
Na destiny o nag-align talaga ang mga stars para sa inyo kasi hindi ka lang granted wish para sa akin. Ikaw ang answered prayer and blessing na bigay sa akin ni Lord.
Kahit anong dumating sa umaga bawat gising,
Halan kayong dalawa and wish you more apo and God bless.
Thank you po.
Maging mabuting asawa. Ganon din si Paul. Sana maitaguyod yung inyong pamilya ng matiwasay at masagana.
Tayong dalawa pa rin, handa nating haharapin.
Mrs. B, may this watch remind you of the new chapter we begin together, of memories that will last forever, beautifully fossilized through time.
Paul, see you in a while, love. This is it. We will be spending the rest of our time together. I love you. Sincerely, Shani. Thank you, and parati na akong on time. Thank you. Love you, babe.
Puso'y sa'yo pa rin. Tayong dalawa malaw man.
Congratulations, Bai, to this new chapter of your life. With Shani, may you be blessed. May you have more wisdom as you navigate the things that you're gonna go through as you take this new journey. So we're here for you. We're blessed to have you in our lives. So we cheers to this success and this next chapter. Cheers.
Yes! Yung balloon, yes, props. Kasi plus 10 points daw pag may props. Wow! May okay lang.
Kung hihilingin natin na mabago ang tadhana natin, mas lalo kong pipiliin na maghihintay, kagaya kung paano ka naghihintay hanggang maging bukas ako sa'yo.
Ating gabi, atin ang gabi, sa aking tabi, ikaw at ako mananatili. Palagi tayong dalawa,
John Paul, maaari mo nang gawaran ng halik ang iyong asawang si Shani.
sabay pagtanda natin. Kahit makalimutin, puso'y sa'yo pa rin. Sa langit ating dadalhin.
I hope that our love won't only bloom, but also bear fruits. Thank you, love, for loving me.